In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax on Freshbooks in just about 5 minutes. Navigating taxes can be a labyrinth of confusion and frustration for many. However, with tools like Freshbooks, life can get a tad easier. This cloud-based accounting software not only simplifies invoice creation, but also offers an intuitive way to manage your taxes on sales. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or just getting your startup off the ground, understanding how to efficiently add taxes to your invoices is crucial. First things first, you'll need to direct your browser to the Freshbooks website. It's the starting point for our journey today. Once there, locate and click on the login button. This is your gateway into the administrative part of your account where all the magic happens. Now here comes a pivotal step. Depending on how you've set up your Freshbooks account, you might have several options for signing in. For those of you using Google services, clicking on sign in with Google could streamline your login process. It's a convenient way to sync your accounts without memorizing an extra set of login credentials. Choose the Google account you want to use for Freshbooks, and you'll be ushered into your dashboard seamlessly. With access to your dashboard, your next move is to navigate to the Invoices section. It's here that Freshbooks keeps track of all your billing documents. Once you're in the Invoices area, get ready to create something new by clicking on the New Invoices button. This action opens up a fresh page, a blank canvas if you will, for crafting your detailed invoice. Alright, now we're getting to the crux of it. It's time to start itemizing the goods or services you've provided. Click on Add a Line to begin entering your product or service details. This is a critical step for clarity in your invoicing. You'll specify what you're charging for here. Type in the product or service you need to invoice and proceed to add the price for each. Remember, transparency here prevents confusion down the line. Up to this point it's been pretty straightforward, but here's where we add another layer. Taxes. Click on Add Taxes to bring up the tax settings for your invoice. Now you're required to enter your tax rate, whether it's a standard rate or something more specific that your local government or service requires. It's important to have this information correct for compliance. Finally, after entering the rate, you wrap up by clicking on Apply Taxes. This action applies the tax rate to the items in your invoice, recalculating the total to include the applicable taxes. It's a vital step to ensure your invoices are accurate and legally compliant. So, there you have it. Adding taxes to your invoices in Freshbooks isn't just necessary, it's also a straightforward process that ensures your business operations are on the right side of tax laws. While taxes can often be seen as a hassle, integrating them correctly into your invoicing process is a step towards making your financial management more proficient. Freshbooks simplifies this process, allowing you to focus more on growing your business and less on the administrative red tape. Remember, taxation laws can vary widely depending on your location and the nature of your business. It's always best to consult with a tax professional to ensure you're applying the correct tax rates and adhering to all regulations. We hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the Freshbooks platform and making your invoicing process a bit easier. Don't forget, staying organized and keeping accurate records not only helps when it's tax time, but also positions your business for success. Happy invoicing, and here's to managing your finances more efficiently.